got my life together now, I think. Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I am giving you blue-green-ish, tone-ish vibes, you know? Earth Day makeup. That's what it is. I know it may be super bold and definitely out of a lot of people's comfort zone. It's out of my comfort zone, and I would not. I'd probably definitely wear the eyeshadow, but I definitely probably would not wear the lipstick. It's just a little bit too bold for me, and I'm not the type of person to wear bright blue lipstick. I do tell you what lipstick it is and what is on top of it. This is not just one lipstick, it is a lipstick with a highlighter on top, so if you continue watching to the end of this video, you will find out exactly what it is. I do go into voiceover for the eyeshadow look. This is a one palette tutorial. I definitely only use one palette. I do take glitter out of somewhere else though, but that step is completely avoidable. You do not have to use what I use. And then I did use a highlighter for the eyes, but I will tell you right now that I did only use the James Charles palette, and if you don't plan on using the highlighting palette that I used, you could definitely go in and use either this sparkly blue right here or this sparkly blue as your inner corner highlight and the highlight under your eyes. Earth Day reminded me of blue-greenish makeup. I did use brown in my waterline, so that is a little bit of brown. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching this video if you would like to see how I got this look right here, this look right here, and yeah, let's get right into it. Have you subscribed? Because it's free. And you should, because I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays, so you get a video kind of in the middle of the week and beginning, end of the week. So now that you have subscribed and liked the video already, we can go right in. We're going to prime our eyes using the Rimmel London Match Perfecting Concealer, and we're going to blend it out with our pink Jeffree Star and Morphe sponge. This is going to allow us for the colors to not stain our skin pretty much as best as we can. And then we're going in with the Morphe M510 and into the shade Canvas and just making our eyes pretty much be a blank canvas, so that way other eyeshadows can go on top very seamlessly. And then the next brush we're taking is M504 and the shade Social Blade, and we're focusing this really all in our crease. You don't want to go any lower than your crease just because it's just going to get covered up with another shade. And in this video I decided to show you guys both eyes as much as I could. And now we're going to be taking a BH Cosmetics Random Fluffy Flat Packed Brushes, which I wrote in my notes, and using the shade Playground. You'll notice that I go back into it. This is mainly going right on my eyelid, all of my eyelids. And then this is the BH Cosmetics Crease Brush, and I'm going into the shade Daddy and focusing this right in my crease so that way all the colors can blend seamlessly together. And here's where you'll notice where I go back into that shade Playground because it seemed that I lost most of the pigment. And now I'm going in with the shade Acapella to pretty much pack that blue color on my lid and blending everything out again with my 504. And now I'm taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Distortion. This stuff burned my eyes, and you can kind of see like towards the end of the video that it almost is like breaking up my makeup. It looks cute, but meh, I don't know. And then I'm taking the shade Guac and putting it on the outer corner because it kind of reminded me of like a deep greenish earthy look. And I used the Life to Drag brush just to blend it out, and then I'm using a Neutrogena makeup wipe to clean up the mess underneath my eyes. And I am now using the Royal Lane Nickel Detail Brush and using the same colors I use at the top of my lid. So that would be, believe, Daddy and Playground, the two green colors. And going all the way from my outer corner to my inner corner, using a bigger Morphe brush, it didn't have a name, and using that deeper green shade. And yeah, using the Morphe eyeliner brush in the shade Date Night. It's a brown, and putting that on my waterline. Using the Morphe M221 brushing out my eyelashes, and yes, I heat up my eyelash curler because my eyelashes grow down. If you watch my videos, you know this already. It's the only way to get my lashes to curl, and I tried out the Benefit They're Real mascara, and I was not a fan. No thanks. And I'm using Jeffree Star's Northern Lights palette in the shade, I think it's like Deep Freeze or something like that, and putting that in my inner corner and underneath my brow bone because I wanted like a bluish highlight. I also used it at the top of my cheekbones and my nose and above my eyebrow, but that is besides the point, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so that is the end of this Earth Day makeup video. I know that this is probably the second makeup video in a row that has been, actually probably the third, that has been kind of fun, creative-ish. The first one was the Jeffree Star one, the second one was the Easter Bunny one, and this one is the Earth Day makeup. I definitely don't expect people to go out and wear this entire look. If anything, it would just be like the eyes with like a nude lip or a gloss. But for the sake of this video, I am wearing this. And it's actually the Jeffree Star Blue Velvet lipstick with his highlighter on top, Alaskan Ice from the Northern Lights palette. It's kind of got like a greenish icy hue to it, so that's why I put it on top. Otherwise, this lipstick would be this blue, and the highlighter that's on my cheeks, above my brow, on my nose, and again above my cheeks is the blue and the Alaskan Ice highlighter, which I showed you guys. So basically it is going to be this one and this one that I use, which is Below Freezing and Alaskan Ice. I really do love his highlighters, but I will tell you they are not for the faint of the heart because they are very, very pigmented. I don't know why every time I film or I'm on video camera, like my bronzer leaves like a line. In person, it does not look like that. So this regard, please. But anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Again, I did do a mix-over of voiceover and me being here present, kind of, sort of, because this is already filmed, and obviously I'm not sitting here right now while you're watching this talking to you, which maybe one day I will do live videos, but until then, nah. But anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy. Happy day before Earth Day, because this is going up Sunday, the day before Earth Day. Take care of our planet, people. Recycle as much as you can. Don't use plastic. Use as less plastic, like as little plastic as you can. And start using metal straws or bamboo straws or wood straws, whatever you have to use. Save those turtles. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.